Traditionally, RightFax has a single folder-based image store where all fax images are stored. This presents a problem if the image store becomes unavailable for any reason. So new with RightFax 16.2 is the optional SQL image store module. This module moves images from the file system to the SQL database. You have the option to use a separate database from the RightFax metadata, or if you wanted to, you can actually still use the RightFax database. We do recommend a separate database. This can really help with HA and DR since most SQL implementations are already using some form of redundancy, and now you'll get the same redundancy with your RightFax images, and you do not have to worry about replicating the RightFax image store. Replicating Windows file systems is often a challenge. We have tested the SQL image store and there is no degradation of service, and in some cases you will see improved performance. An additional license is required for this module. Okay, so now let's talk about the SQL database and how it can be deployed. RightFax can be integrated with SQL in multiple ways. For very small implementations of 8 channels or less, you can use the built-in SQL Express. We also support the full version of SQL installed on the fax server, but we don't recommend it due to additional resources that it will use. The best way to leverage your company's existing SQL infrastructure to take advantage of the SQL tools for HA and DR, including database mirroring, log shipping, and SQL availability groups.